What is your name?
Yusti.
In which class do you read?
Nursery.
Okay, Vyushti. Identify the shape.
Circles. Triangle.
Which shape is this?
Square. Triangle. Rectangle. Oval. Star. Heart. Arrow. Diamond. Cross.
Speak the spelling of circle.
CIRCLE.
Triangle.
TRIANGLE.
Rectangle.
RECTANGLE.
Oval.
OVAL.
Square.
SYO.